Little bubble. That's semi-glutide. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Always dispose of your needle in a sharps container. No weight loss this week. I had 1,000 things going on. Doctor's appointment on Wednesday. I slipped and fell on Wednesday on my back, about 2 foot down. The only thing that was hurt was my pride. So it took a couple of people to get me up and walking because my knees are so bad. But I'm okay, a little sore. I did not do this on Wednesday because I came home and went to bed to lay out. That's when it happened, Wednesday, after my heart scan. So, anyway, keep in touch. See you next week. All is rolling on as normal.